as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. West of today, cloudy. A chance of rain late this morning. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 5 p.m. Friday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday for the following county: Switzerland, Indiana. For the winter storm warning, combination of snow and wind expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles an hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: temperatures will drop sharply in the matter of a few hours during Thursday night, rapidly falling well below freezing, leading to the potential for a flash freeze. This will cause travel conditions to rapidly deteriorate. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. West of today, cloudy. A chance of rain late this morning, then rain likely this afternoon. Highs in the mid-40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, rain and snow in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Wind chills as low as 35 below zero. Snow may be where portions of east central and southeast Indiana and central, southwest and west central Ohio. Wind for the winter storm warning from west winds 15 to 20 miles p.m. Friday. An hour. Chance of precipitation 100%.